Hey everyone, Mike with AllBrite Pressure Washing More. Welcome to the channel. We perform pressure washing and gutter cleaning on these townhomes every year. During our annual visit this year, we noticed rust stains forming right at the entrance of one of these units. The stain is directly below an HVAC drip line. This can happen when the main line becomes clogged or starts backing up, forcing the overflow through the emergency line. We let the homeowner know and they contacted an HVAC company. Once the line is cleared, it's time for us to remove this rust stain. We do this by applying 3 or 4 treatments, full strength, of a rust remover. The results turn out excellent. The rust is completely gone and the entrance looks like it was never there to begin with. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more homeowner tips and satisfying cleaning transformations from AllBrite Pressure Washing and More.